Hey everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from Tech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So in this video, let's do quickly unboxing of this TP-Link wireless adapter. So guys, the thing is, some of the computers or even if your laptop was old, then usually the laptop's Wi-Fi signal was very weak, and maybe in some laptops Wi-Fi also does not work, but whereas some desktops also does not comes with the Wi-Fi. But nowadays in this 2020, if you purchase a newly Wi-Fi CPU desktop, then the desktop comes with usually inbuilt Wi-Fi. But if you are using the desktop which was belongs to old generation, I mean the old time CPUs does not comes with the inbuilt Wi-Fi. So usually nowadays every home has a smartphone or even the Wi-Fi. So if you have the Wi-Fi, then you can access the internet wireless throughout your home. But whereas your desktop was old, so usually you can't use the internet to the computer. So that's why today I was interested to do the unboxing of this TP-Link USB Wi-Fi mini wireless adapter. So with the help of this adapter, you can just connect your computer CPU, then you can use the internet. Or even if your laptop was not working properly in terms of Wi-Fi department, then simply you can just use this device by installing the software, compatible software drivers in your laptop. Then again, you can use your laptop also easily. I have been using this device for very long onwards. I have purchased in Amazon. It was cost around 550 rupees. So it seems it was useful work for the money. So my experience, there was no issues of signal lagging, no disconnection issues. So it was very good experience. So that's why finally after using this device very long time, I decided to post this video. Maybe if you guys also using the desktop from old computer, or even if your present laptops does not working with the proper in Wi-Fi department does not working, then you can simply purchase this device and you can use it.
Hey guys, I have just purchased the Wi-Fi adapter for my PC. We know that the PCs doesn't come with in-built Wi-Fi, I mean the desktops. So that's why I have purchased it right now. I just received this product from Amazon today. So let's see how it works, how best it will give, whether it is valuable for our money or not. So let me peel this wrap cover. So here is the product from the TP-Link for desktop. For my desktop, I have just purchased. So it comes with 3 years warranty, guys. So we can see the 3 years warranty. On the front side of the box, we have seen that they're saying that it's a 300 Mbps Wi-Fi mini design WPS push button. It is very good feature. So we can easily connect this device to our Wi-Fi network without typing the secure passwords and everything like that. And also the interesting thing is they're saying that it supports for Mac, Linux and Windows compatible. That's the good feature. On the back side, we have seen they're saying that WPS push button and a smaller design, so nothing else on the back side. On the other side, they're saying that system, let me zoom it. So they're saying that system compatibility, it supports for Windows 10, 8.1, 8.7 XP, Linux kernel 2.61, 6.183, so on the Mac also. That's the good interesting. So on the other hand side of the package, they're saying that the specifications, so it's a 802.11b by it supports all kind of bandwidths. So interference 2.0, LED status, WPS push button, the security modes like that. That's it. On the down, we haven't seen. On the down hand side, nothing. It is just something code. On the front side, as we've seen earlier, it's 3 years warranty. So I was going to open this box right now. Nothing in the box. Put it aside. So here is the device. Here is the mini USB Wi-Fi adapter. So let me take. So there was the cover. So here is the chip, Wi-Fi adapter, TP-Link, which comes with 3 years warranty, suitable for mostly all kind of operating systems, Linux and Windows, Mac compatible. So let it put aside. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh, here is the manual instruction guide. Okay, here is the manual instruction guide, paperwork. So here is the CD which contains the software to connect this device to our desktop. So we need to install the software on our PC. After that only we can do the rest of the things. We can connect the Wi-Fi to this device easily. So here it is. Yeah, on the box only we have seen that the customer support from Monday to Friday, Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So we can contact them. That's it for now.
So finally, that's it in this video, guys. I hope I have provided something useful information. If you don't mind, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Until take care, be safe due to this COVID. Please stay at your home. Take care. Bye bye.